Today we're going to make an origami paper box. Yeah. For this origami box, you will need 2 square sheets of the same size. This box has 2 parts. First, we're going to make the inside part. You can take 2 different colors of paper, or you can use the same color. We're using different colors. Take 1 sheet of paper and fold in half. Then unfold. Then fold it again in half. Unfold, then gather all the corners to the middle. Then fold the sides to the middle. Unfold, then do the same thing the other way. Then unfold 2 sides. Then do that. And on the other side, the same thing. Then pinch these 2 sides like that. Then do the same thing on the other side. Then you're done with the bottom. Crease it. Now for the top lid. First fold in half. Now do the same thing what you did for the other box. but just leave a little gap between. You shouldn't fold it completely to the middle. Leave a little gap between. And do the same thing on the other side. Leave a small gap. Then unfold. For the bottom part, you shouldn't see a tiny gap. For this one, for the lid, you should see a small gap. Unfold, then do the same thing but the other way. Don't forget to leave a tiny gap between the two folds. After you're done, unfold. And do the steps that you did for the other box. The gap should be about that much. There we go.
I'm loving it, I'm loving it, I'm loving it.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon and hit the subscribe button.
The channel, please subscribe. If you don't subscribe, we'll be really sad, okay?